Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the controller axis reset delay for Radial wheel on Dune Awakening. To do it, you need to go to the settings, then in gameplay tab scroll all the way down, and at the very bottom you'll see the controller axis reset delay. You can adjust this dot across the bar by sliding it or just pressing on these arrows on the left and right side, and this is the time in seconds to wait before the character will move in the direction of the left thumbstick after the radial wheel is closed, with the closed behavior, this one, set to require access input reset setting. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.